Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a feature that most operating systems have, which for some funny reason Microsoft does not, is the ability to switch your light mode and dark mode automatically. So basically automatic scheduling. And I posted a video on this about 3 weeks ago, which I'll leave linked for what it's worth. According to Microsoft PowerToys, version 0.95, which is our next release, will include a new utility that can automatically switch between light and dark modes based on your schedule. Check the video out for more info. Now, just to let you know that I have a little bit of an update regarding this. And PowerToys version 0.95, which is going to be rolling out next month in October, is now definitely going to be adding the new feature, which is going to be called and labeled Light Switch, which is going to be a new utility and tool. And basically what it does, it will switch Windows themes depending on a custom schedule or sunrise and or sunset, which I think is a nice move in the right direction. Now, if we head over to a GIF provided from the GitHub repository, here we can see this all in action. So the PowerToys Light Switch will let you set when Windows should switch from dark mode to light mode and the opposite. You can also set custom hours for sunrise and sunset for your current position and location. And Microsoft is even giving the option to offset sunrise and or sunset, so you can have dark mode turn on, as an example, 1 hour before sunset, which I also think is a step in the right direction. And over and above that, there will also be a keyboard shortcut for toggling dark light mode and the ability to specify which parts of Windows should change their looks. So as an example, you could leave your taskbar in dark mode and put other aspects of the OS in light mode, which I really think is a nice move. Now, I know there are extensions that can do this already, as an example, auto dark mode. But I think this is definitely a good place for Microsoft to start rolling this out. Now, PowerToys is developed by Microsoft over on GitHub, as you may well know, and can be downloaded from the Microsoft Store. But it makes me think why Microsoft is taking so long to bring this basic functionality into the Windows operating system itself. But nonetheless, maybe in the near future, Microsoft will bring this light switch, as they're calling it, into the OS as a so-called native feature. And Microsoft has been known to do that. There are 1 or 2 PowerToys features that have made their way from PowerToys into Windows 11 as an example. And I'll also leave the previous video I posted on PowerToys when it was bumped up to version 0.94, which is the current stable release. If you would be interested, I'll leave that linked in the end screen. And I did conduct a poll on the channel maybe a couple of weeks ago, and the majority of you said when it comes to light and dark mode, you definitely prefer a dark mode, which I do agree. I personally think dark mode, for me personally, is a lot better on the eyes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.